Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to replace your cabin air filter in your 2011 Honda Fit. No tools required, just the filter you need. Alright, so to replace this cabin air filter, you're going to pop the glove compartment open. You want to remove everything out of it, unless you want to dump it on the ground. And what you do is you push both sides in, just squeeze them in, and then it'll come down. And then here is where the filter is. And so you've got a tab here. Tab on both sides, and we push and we pull out, and it pulls out the whole filter. And we just go ahead and note the airflow down. Note the airflow, so when we put the new one in, put it the right direction. So we've got our new one, the airflow pointing down. That's what the other one said. Okay, and then you just push it back in until it clicks, and then just take your and you can just push it up and close it up. That's how you replace your cabin air filter in your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.